Hi, today we're going to create a blog where you can host up to 5,000 different articles depending on your plan. Let's see how to do this. As always, we start by logging into our account and creating a new project. We give it a name, add a description, and this time we choose the blog template. This will save us a lot of time in setting up the blog. You're already familiar with the Pages section. This is what the home page will look like, and here are its settings for Google search optimization. This is where the article will be located, and on the right are the fields that, thanks to the template, are already automatically available. And you can see there is an article preview on the home page and a preview on the article itself. Now, let's move to the fields. Notice that each field can be displayed differently in various sections. We can use text as a title and make it prominent. We can choose not to show it in the article itself, but display it only in the homepage preview. Similarly, you can decide whether to show the description everywhere or just on the homepage. We removed the checkbox and the text disappeared. The main body of the article is usually displayed only on the article's main page, but you can customize the settings according to your preference. Now, for the button. It's usually only on the home page. These buttons are designed to let users navigate to the full article. Let's add a label to it. There it is, instantly visible in the preview. And of course, the home page will include a search bar. You can add every element to the search functionality so that you and your users can find pages by any keyword. This is where the article will be located. Since we don't have any articles yet, let's add the first one. Now, you can see that the fields we just edited have appeared here. Now we can fill them in. I'm just using placeholder text from ChatGPT. In the future, you can create beautiful text and format it as needed. There is a wide range of tools for working with text. Let's add an image, save it. Now let's open it and see how our article looks in the blog. As you can see, the image didn't load because we set it not to display. We can fix it later. Here's what the article looks like on the home page. Let's add another article. Now we have two articles, and the button links directly to the full article. Let's go through the process again to see how the blog will look. A blog is always about having lots of articles. Now, let's see what it will look like. Here we have 6 articles. Next, we'll edit the article display. You can edit the generated article structure here, but you can modify it to show your photo. Now look, the preview shows the photo again. If we refresh the page, you will see that the image you uploaded for this article now appears on the site. You can check this by clicking on the button and viewing your photo. If you choose any other article, it will display the corresponding image you selected. You can also adjust the photo size in the settings. As always, you can customize colors, change fonts, and add other details. Now, when we refresh the page, you will see that everything has changed. Notice how the website transforms and how differently it can look. Let's explore more settings. Of course, we can add legal information, imprint, privacy policy, and an option to change the domain. Save it. You can also make changes directly on the site, add an image to the hero blog or completely replace it. Refresh the page and note, the site may no longer display because we changed the domain. Open the site again. Now, let's try changing the cover. Add a new blog. Upload your own image. You can build the site exactly how you want. Over time, you will better understand how to add blocks and modify them to suit any style. Save it. Now, let's take a look at the final site we've created. See how quick, simple, and beautiful it is.